Uh, so computers are going to change. The computers will never remain something like that we have. What will happen? Slowly, the death of user is going to happen. And for an example, right now you need to take a file, you need to drop it somewhere, and then you open there, do this task, go there and do something. So agentic AIs are coming, and you can give instruction writing a simple HTML file, a GUI, where it will call the Python program, and Python program will do this and then do that and then do that, and all these things will happen in an automatic manner. So you don't have to do anything. So you just have to write a Python program to execute what are the things that you want to do. So uh, so this is one part of the problem. The second part of the problem is that many part in the machine system is designed in such a way that a user could correct those errors whenever necessary and change options. On many occasions, these human options will go away. So you will not be able to do much more editing. For an example, I want to create a Word file or a PPT presentation or something like that. I can describe all the things, and depending on my past selections, a network of my choices and architecture will be created, and based on that, operations will happen. Third thing is that many of the parts, PowerShells and many other places where quantum computer or computer experts, or those who are very, very good in machine language, are very good in, they have very good understanding of the hardware, only they used to use. And those places, your instructions, your very popular type simple instructions will go there deep inside and penetrate and then make those changes in your computer. So administrator earlier used to have administrators permission. So you used to give okay, you want to log in as administrator or just in user. Now AI will be your administrator. So administrators will go and do many different kind of things. As a result, there will be several tasks which you will be doing 24/7. So computers will be kept maybe in your office, in your house, or somewhere, and you will have a mobile phone in which you will give instructions, open the computer, and do the things, not typing. So there was an old time when we used to have typewriters. Then we had keypad, the laptop, and now onwards, it's just a matter of time. Typing will not be required. So you will not be using typing anymore. And file open, drag there, open there, do some operation, do that operation, do that operation. And then right now what I'm doing, like a stupid, I'm writing Python program, connecting it to GUI, HTML based GUI, and then all these kind of things we are processing, and then getting the things done. But this will be primitive, prehistoric very soon. And what we will have is a set of instructions, and many different kind of programs will open and do it. In fact, just like what happened when FPGA came, and many instruments just disappeared inside the FPGA, you can write those programs to do it, and then they will do it. In a very similar fashion, there will be a FPGA moment in the computer revolution where these LLMs would make, say, Word documents unnecessary. So Microsoft Word will not have any business. PowerPoint will not have any business, because you could have a movie where you can interactive movie, where you can tell, okay, if that variable changes in that way, then how the evolution would look like, and your plot will change accordingly, and get it done. For an example, you are giving a PowerPoint presentation, and CEO comments that okay, look, if the situation that we have currently, if you could modify this particular way of thought process like this, then what would be the output? Then you will say live to your computer, okay, what would be the output if we consider that? And then your computer will do the simulation. The next slide will be like just like what the CEO wants, the way it should be. So many of the official things would be prehistoric. Many of the cultural thing will be prehistoric. And uh, since we have seen the floppy disk, we are the kids who learned with floppy disk, and big floppy disk, then small floppy disk came, then came big hard drive with power, external hard drive, and then short hard drive, then USB port. So all this transition we saw, and we saw the birth of software, and we will see the death of softwares. So all these gadgets and other things will die, and the FPGA moment will come when there will be no separate software required. A set of functions which you actually eventually want to achieve can be realized using a much simpler process with LLM based systems. And you will have your network of LLMs which will go and get the work done. Say you want to write a paper, you have written many papers, so your writing style he will learn, and he will write it in your style much better than you. So it is not cheating anymore. It's just you who is writing, you who is plotting, and then you will like to add some creativity there, there, and then your live, you will see the paper is being written in front of you, and then you are submitting. You want to design a product, and then you open the CAD and you give voice instructions, and then it is taking, okay, no, that is too much, slowly, little less. Okay, put 1 million fibers in CAD. Imagine how dangerous is it, and then you will be doing it just by voice. So but it will not be a CAD software kind of a thing. You can do the whole thing in a different way. That's what my conviction is about. So this video I have created just to tell you that maybe video editor is not required anymore. A simple universal function can realize, a set of LLMs can do video editing, any kind of video editing you want, and and uh, and even can make larger movies. So those data's days are coming, and you will be able to see that instead of because I have a Word file where I have a list of secret softwares which gives me additional advantage in the information processing, and then all of those necessity of those will disappear. That will be the FPGA moment of LLM.